and cardboard basket. Let's get started. Materials needed. We need origami paper. We need a glue stick. We need cardboard. We need tape. We need a ruler. We need a glue gun. And we need some scissors. Let's get started. Let's take an origami paper and then fold it in a half, like that. Done. Now let's do the same thing to the other side. After we have done it, now let's unfold it and then turn it over and do the same. After you have done it, now let's cut it up. Now let's take one piece and then roll it like this. Like that. We continue rolling it until we reach to the end of the paper, like that. Now let's tape it together. We have taped it together. Now let's make 29 more. Now I have made 29 more sticks, paper sticks like this. Now let's take a cardboard and cut it into a shape like this. Like that. Now we're going to be using the bottom part of the base and this part for the inside. Let's put that aside, and then let's take our glue gun. Let's take our glue gun and then glue all these pieces together like this. Before we do that, let's arrange them in a order to see if we have enough. Let's put them all like that. We put everything like that. Let's do it to all of them. Arrange them in order. Now let's glue them all together like this. I'm done gluing it. Now let's take this and put it aside, and then take the cardboard and then shape it to make this fit. Let's put it like that. Like that. Now let's make the other half with another color. Let's first put this and attach it to the base with the glue gun. Let's put it together. I've done gluing this part to the base. Now let's make the other side with another color. We have done our basket's base. Now let's make the handle, and we're all done. We have made a cute and easy basket using paper and cardboard. Thank you. See you. Bye.